Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So I've been looking at my K-pop journal from the side and it is really turning into quite the thick boy. I should probably start a new one soon, but I just really want to fill this one up as much as I absolutely can without the binding? The spine and the binding falling apart. So anyways, in this video, I am continuing on with my 30-day challenge, and this time I had to choose my favorite merch. So bt21, BTS's collaboration with Line Friends is definitely some of my favorite merch. They're so cute and fun and different. And I have mentioned before that Taeyang and Jungkook are my biases, so I'm obviously very partial to both Cookie and Tata. So when I first was getting into BTS and I learned about the bt21 characters, I obviously wanted to know which characters were my biases, so I found out about Cookie and Tata. And when I first saw Tata, I was like, this is such a weird character. Like, he's so strange, especially compared to the other ones who are more based off of animals. And I just thought he was kind of weird, but I wanted his stuff because I love Tae. But then after I watched the making of video that Line Friends posted, I came to be even more partial to Tata, and that is because the other members kind of teased Tae the same way that I was thinking, this is a weird character, what even is this? Obviously not in a malicious way, just the way that you tease your friends. And Tae was like, I just think that he is unique and he's different and he's kind of weird, and honestly I think that armies will like something different, or some armies will like this unique character. And it was just so unequivocally Tae, and I just love that about him, that he loves to encourage individuality and uniqueness, and it just made me love Tata even more, thus begun my Tata merch obsession. As you have seen, I have so much Tata merch. I mean, I'm sure there are people that have more than I do, but I do have quite a bit, and I actually just ordered some more. Maybe I'll do an unboxing for that soon. But yeah, I love Tata, so I decided to make this spread just about Tata, and I've actually been planning to do this spread for a long time, ever since I came up with a 30-day challenge and I did that specific day, which is pretty far down. I'm pretty close to being done at this point. Obviously, I'm not doing them every single day, so yeah, I was really excited for this spread and to do a spread dedicated to Tata. I actually even sleep with my Tata doll every night. I know that sounds kind of weird, but I even take him if I go on a vacation or stay with somebody else, because he's sort of comforting to me. I just love him a lot. So when I was choosing colors for this spread, I obviously wanted to use Tata's colors, which are red, yellow, and blue, but a lot of merch and pictures and other things, like my water bottle that you saw, use pink as a background or an accent color with Tata, and I really, really love that. I love how the pink kind of contrasts with the other colors, but in a pleasing way. So I decided to have pink in this spread as well, because I always really loved that about the Tata merch. Also, I couldn't resist doing my little color sample spots that I've been so obsessed with lately. I had to add them into this spread. Also, I think I mentioned this once before, but I actually sketch out where I'm going to put things in my spread before I even print off pictures for it. I just do kind of a rough sketch, and that actually helps me with what size I need to print my pictures and things like that. I used to just wing it, which sometimes would work out okay and other times did not, and then I couldn't use all the pictures I wanted, or I would have to reprint pictures. So I started sketching it out beforehand, and honestly, I really recommend doing this. It's very helpful to figure out how big to make your lettering, how big to make your pictures, and just whether or not the spread that you have in your head is actually going to play out well onto your journal. Also, that little circular picture of Tata floating in the water is actually the tag from my Bon Voyage Tata that you saw on my shelf, and I just saved it because I thought I might want to use it for something, or I have like a little cutout of Tata on the back of my phone, so I thought maybe one day I would need to replace it, but I thought it looked really cute in this spread, so I stuck it in there. Also, I wanted to go ahead and do my writing before I added any other decorations, just to make sure that I had plenty of room to write what I wanted to say, which is basically just what I said earlier about why I love Tata and why he's special to me, and how I love Tay for creating such a unique character. So then I decided to go in and add just a couple little decorations with my Crayola Super Tips, and I also used some of my washi tapes and created kind of this like plaid looking pattern, I guess you would say. I think it's cool. It's just a little random thing that I came up with at the very last minute. And then I've also been saving these stickers that I bought back in March in a K-pop store in Atlanta when I went down there to visit with my best friend, and me and them and two of our other friends went to this K-pop store, and I bought some Tata stickers, and I've been saving them for this specific spread, so I finally got to use them. Also, that little bt21 decal was another little extra that I got with my Army Bomb decal, which I show in my Bring This Soul video if you haven't seen that one. So this is the final spread. I really love how it turned out. I love the colors. And if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I appreciate all of the support. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.